The topic of today's video is how to deposit your money on Webull. So here we are on the Webull mobile app, and what we want to do is move over to transfers. And then we want to click on deposit, and now you can choose USD or AUD. And this here will bring up all of Webull's banking details. So you'll go to your banking app. I won't show that because everyone's got different banking apps. And then we will put in all of this information into our banking app and do a transfer. Very important that you use the reference number over here. And when you are done, you can just say, I completed my transfer. Keep in mind the account must be in your name and that is a USD account. So deposits sent in, for instance, my currency will be rejected by the receiving bank. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.